Adding an article or post to a WordPress blog is a really simple thing. First, you go to your WordPress blog and log in. After you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks just like this one. On the left are all kinds of different things you can do. If you click the arrows, they're very subtle. It expands each section. We're looking for the posts and then add new. It's data driven, so sometimes it takes a little longer. And you'll be greeted with a screen that looks just like this. If you don't see all these buttons here, consider clicking this one and then look at these two tabs. If you click the HTML one, this is for the people that like to write in code. If you don't know how to write HTML code, you would prefer the visual one. And I like to click this second button, which shows all the buttons, because these buttons here on the bottom row are useful too. First step, add a title. We'll go with Hello World. That's kind of a classic computer learning phrase. And then we work on the body of our post. Yes, you do, Nikki. Let's not talk right now, please. Sorry about that, folks. We write a little bit right here, and if we screw it all up, we can always undo. Very popular feature, just like in Microsoft Word. Undo. Oh, hey, we really want that. Let's redo it. You can get help here. There's not much to it, though. It's pretty simple. If you have an article, speaking of Microsoft Word, if you have an article that's in Microsoft Word already, you don't want to just copy and paste it in there. It'll put all kinds of extra code. You want to copy it onto your clipboard and then click this button and it'll automatically add it. We can also add a picture. Show you how to do that real quick. Straight from your computer, which is a great thing, a beautiful, beautiful thing. I have no idea what these are. We'll just upload one. Pay attention to that. Upload. The maximum size it can be is 2 megabytes. Bam. Other things you can put here. Well, let's add a caption. That'll be displayed. Alternate text for the visually impaired. This will be read out loud to them. So make sure it makes sense. Alligator Creek in this case is not okay. Alligator Creek photo or photo of Alligator Creek is. This is how it's going to be presented. First, the link. Is it going to be linked to anything? It's going to be linked to this post, or is it going to be linked to the full-size image? We're going to link it to the full-size image, and we're going to have it right aligned, which means the text will wrap around it to the left. We definitely don't want it to be full-size, so we'll have it small. And then bam, it's there. And we can just keep writing. I'm going to just repeat some more phrases over and over again. Bear with me. It's hard to talk and write. And I'm just going to copy this over and over again just to fill you in a little bit here so I can demonstrate other things. And paragraph. Oh, we need another heading, you say? Okay. Well, we just select this and look at this. Heading 1, that should be reserved for up here. I would use it sparingly. Heading 2, more appropriate. Oh, this one needs. This is important. It needs to be in bold. Okay, here's some italics. Okay, and a list. Need to indent this list. Okay, and so on. Also look at this little corner down here. You can make it bigger if you'd like, the text area that is. This is if you'll notice, this is pretty long. Well, not so long, but let's just pretend it is. So let's say at some point you want a break, like a page break. Here it is right here, insert more tag. What this does is it puts it right there, and then it'll put a link in there saying read more. That way when it's on your front page, the whole article doesn't show, just the top portion. Everything above that tag. We can, over on the right, we have publishing options. We can save it as a draft to work on it later. We can schedule it for publication later, like on September, whatever. We won't. We'll publish it immediately. First, we'll probably want to preview it. It just opens up in a new window, gives you a preview. But before we even do that, it's not good just to publish it. We, write it. We also need to stick it in a category. I've got lots of categories. This is a very existing blog that's been around for a long time. Let's just say this is news for my clients. Also, some tags. Tags are little meaningful words that help people find content that don't really fit into categories. And then that's pretty much it. Give it a once over. Yeah. Okay, let's publish it. And click the publish button. It tells us it's working. It takes a while. Remember, it's writing all of this to a database, and the databases are kind of involved. Okay, now let's view it. Now this is the full version. Okay, the whole long article. If we go to our front page of our blog, we'll see what that more tag does. It does this. It cuts off the article and says, read the rest of this entry. And I'll show you what that does. There you go. And that's it. Very simple primer on how to create a post or article in WordPress. Thank you.